Hey everybody, it's Brian from Ocean's Atlantic Success Plan. I just wanted to tell you about this. I came across this course for easy battery reconditioning, and it's pretty cool. I mean, you can save yourself a bunch of money. It shows you how to recondition a bunch of different kinds of batteries. I mean, watch batteries, I mean, car batteries, regular batteries, just any different kind of battery you can think of. And anyway, it shows how people spend so many thousands a year on batteries and how this can save you a bunch of money. But it's a step-by-step course on how to do it. And not only that, but when you get the course, you get this resource guide that actually shows you where you can pick up free dead batteries and recondition them, and actually how you can resell them and make money from it. But anyway, I just thought I'd tell you about it because it's a pretty cool course, step by step, showing you what to do and all the different batteries and how much money you can save. And I mean, it's definitely a good thing to know in case something ever happened and you were without power or whatever for a good amount of time and didn't have the money to keep buying batteries. If you knew how to recondition them and where you could get them for free to recondition them and stock them up, plus also the fact that it shows you who you can sell them to and everything else. Anyway, it's like I said, I've got it and looked at it, and it's pretty cool course, step by step. Anyway, if you'd like to pick it up, you can get it through the link below this video, and click my subscribe button and notification bell to get new content when I put out. Anyway, everybody have a great day wherever you live in the world. Great night too. Have a good one. Brian from Ocean's Atlantic Success Plan saying later. Bye.